Lose belly fat in just 7 days. In just 7 days, remove belly fat permanently at home using the amazing fruit. Ginger. Ginger is loaded with antioxidants and compounds that help you lose weight. This it does in the following ways. Ginger flushes out sodium and ultimately prevents bloating. Ginger suppresses appetite and helps increase fat breakdown. Ginger protects the health of the heart by keeping cholesterol in check. Ginger supports digestive health, which helps in removing belly fat. Ginger helps prevent and controls symptoms associated with diabetes by maintaining the blood sugar level. How do you prepare this amazing fat-burning juice? Peel and blend the ginger. Strain and pour the juice into a glass. Pour out half a glass of hot water. If the water is too hot, allow it to cool off for 1 to 2 minutes. Squeeze half a lemon into the water, add 2 to 4 tablespoons of the ginger juice, add 1 teaspoon of honey. Lemon also comes with a lot of benefit for fat burning. It is a digestive and detoxifying agent. It is very effective in shrinking belly fat and reducing weight. Honey contains antioxidants and antifungal properties that help in digestion. Honey also regulates insulin in the body and maintains blood sugar level. Drink this delicious spicy sour sweet juice while it's still hot to melt belly fat. Drink this every night before going to bed or first thing in the morning. For a flat belly, drink more hot water than cold water. Hope this is helpful. Thanks for watching. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss new videos from us. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.